hey guys, I am in my kitchen. I am using my Instant Pot today to make some easy pressure cooker pulled pork. So I grabbed a giant piece of pork shoulder blade, cut it into 4 different pieces, and I turned on the saute function, let it come to a nice heated, it'll say hot on the LED, and I browned them in some oil. So I'm now done with that. I'm gonna take them out, my last one, and then I have to add in half a cup of water to the pot, along with roughly 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. So that's going in, and then I'm gonna stir it up real good. Super easy. Just take my little whisk. You always wanna make sure you have some liquid in the pot. And then I'm going to take these pieces of pork, put them back in here, along with any of the juices that accumulated. That's about 2 pounds of pork. And I'm going to seal it. And I'm going to turn it to the left, and it makes that fun little video arcade sound. Now I'm going to hit manual, and I'm going to set it for, oops, I got to turn off the saute function first, sorry. Then I'm going to hit manual, and then I'm going to set it for 75 minutes. So it's going to take a while to get me up to 75. And when I do, I'm going to just walk away. It's going to click, and it's going to heat up and count down. And when it gets down to 0, I have to turn it off and let it naturally release pressure for 20 minutes. Then I can remove the lid. Super easy. Let me go all the way up to 75. I'm done. I'm going to walk away. It's going to seal in just a couple minutes and start. So that's an easy, fast way how to make pulled pork in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's going to be that nice shredded stuff. Usually that takes forever in a slow cooker, right? All day long, but you can make it in about 1.5 hours total from start to finish, have it ready to go. So another great way, easy way to use the Instant Pot.